pull it, and then you pull it back, this one, then you pull it up. There, one. I got the cover. Remove. Alright. And so now you have the fan belt. So what you do, you take a photo or a video before you're going to remove it, so you know how it plays. So this is the pulley. Okay, that one. This is a serpentine belt. So if you remove the serpentine belt, there is a 17 mm over here. Let me show it. That. Okay. So you put the 17 mm there, and then you push that. You push it. You push, and so you can remove the serpentine belt. Okay. Then remove this. This holds the cover. Remove, there's two bolt under these two holes. Okay. I use this 14. Okay. And then you can just pull this. Alright, so this is what I got from Mercedes-Benz original. So that's the part number 001-993-3496. So it goes like this. And the pulley, you just need to push it to the left and put this on top. This one over here. Wrap it around the pulley. So let's put this. See those two holes? See that one? And it goes in. Push it. Then snap it. Screw it back. It's good. It's good.